Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need the right mount and a stable platform. Attach the telephoto and secure its tripod collar now. Once mounted, set shutter priority or manual to control blur, choose a baseline ISO for clean exposure, and select continuous autofocus for moving subjects. Balance the lens on the tripod and confirm the center of gravity. This improves tracking and prevents strain on the mount. Make sure to remove lens caps. Enable image stabilization if handheld. Then frame your subject tightly and prepare to fine-tune focus. Once the basics are set, refine focus behavior. Enable back button AF or continuous AF for moving targets, and use single point AF to lock on a key subject detail. Then dial exposure. Raise shutter speed to freeze motion, open aperture for shallow depth of field, or stop down for more subject context, and increase ISO only as needed to retain shutter speed. Make sure to check histograms and use spot metering on the subject if background contrast confuses the meter. Bracket quickly if unsure. You're ready to compose. Use the telephoto's compression to isolate subjects and place them according to your desired negative space. Once composed, stabilize by using a remote release, mirror lockup when available, or a short self-timer to remove vibration. Make micro adjustments to tripod legs and head tension to track smoothly. If images are soft, recheck autofocus mode, clean lens contacts and elements, and confirm there's no heat shimmer or wind causing blur. If focus hunts, switch to manual focus and fine-tune using live view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.